Welcome. I'm going to be showing you how to make banga soup. So let's get right into the video. So first things first, you're going to get your banga paste. I got mine from Banga Republic. You can actually make yours, but I just decided to skip it. Pour it into the pot, then proceed to add water. It was a bit frozen, so that's why I was struggling with it. Sorry. Water, I'm going to be adding Uyayak. It's a native spice. They use it for pepper soup and native soups. Now I'm adding my banga stick. Also got it from Banga Republic. Yeah, you can get it from her and also your spice. Yeah, that's the spice from Banga Republic. So you can get the stick, get the spice, and the Beletientien leaves for the soup. After doing that, I just covered it for it to come to a boil. Then I went ahead to put in my stockfish. Yes, because I wanted it to boil and add the flavor to it. And I also added my Pomo. Yeah, because I forgot to actually steam it with the meat. So you can also do that here. It's never too late. Adding part of my crayfish. I bought a lot, so I'm just putting part of it now. I'll still put more later on. You add your meat broth, and I added some pepper. Yeah, habanero pepper. I added more spice. Then I added knorr cubes and 2 star maggi seasoning cubes. Now you notice it's a bit thicker, so don't be scared if you put a lot of water. It's a paste. It's definitely going to take and just let it boil. I added my dry fish to it. Then I added my seasoned assorted meat. Yeah. See how thick and sumptuous it's looking. Oh my god. Anyways, I'm just giving it a quick stir and I'm just going to let it boil for a little bit. Then I will come back and take the stick and the uyayak out. So now it's time to take out the uyayak and the stick because the soup is ready. So, time to put your Isam, and after that you're going to add your Beletientien leaves. Yes, there's no banga soup without Beletientien leaves. And from Banga Republic, yes, I mentioned it earlier, and I'm adding more dry pepper because that pepper wasn't enough. And more crayfish, you know now. Because the leaves wasn't enough, so I added more, and I think I still added again at the end. Yeah. Oh, you notice that throughout since the beginning I didn't add salt. I'm just adding a bit of salt. That's just how I cook. I don't put salt at the beginning. I put it at the end because I don't really like cooking with salt. You know, stockfish is salty, dry fish is salty, crayfish is salty, and all that. Even the seasoning cubes also. To avoid my food being salty or too salty, I just put the salt at the end. Sometimes I don't even put at all. So now this is me dishing it out. Yes, see how sumptuous is looking with plenty of fishy. Yes. Time to enjoy your soup. I added more crayfish at the end though, so this is it. I ate it with curry. You can eat it with any swallow of your choice.